Morning student, I am Praveen Kumar from BLS Inter College of your class 10th science subject teacher. In this section of video, we have talking about some numerical problems on light chapter. In this question, we have to read that the convex mirror used for a rear view of an automobile, that means vehicle, has a radius of a curvature that is 3 meter. If a bus is located at 5 meter from the mirror, and find the position and the nature and the size of image. In this type of question, what we have to judge what type of mirror, and for that what type of sign convention we have to use. In this question, that the convex mirror and the information given, that is the radius of curvature of 3 and their bus located is 5 centimeter, that the position of a object, and find the position of image as well as nature and the size of image we have to told. First, we use what the information are given, that the position of object, that is we have taken minus sign, that is 5 meter, and we have to find out the value of image. In the information is given that the radius of curvature is 3 cm by using the relation, that is the focal length and radius of curvature of mirror. We have taken plus sign because of that mirror is convex. Putting the value, that is 3 divided by 2, that is 1.5 meter, by using in the mirror formula 1 upon f equal to 1 upon b plus 1 upon u for the mirror, and putting these value, taking off the decimal point, it is at 10. 1 by b, we cannot interfere the value, we do not have we have to find out. Putting the value of object, and by solving and taking LCM and solving this equation by reversing the order, that is plus 1.15 meter. Image is formed at 1.15 meter and value is positive, so the image is erect and virtual. And the nature is taken out from the magnification, and the magnification formula for the mirror is m equal to minus v upon u. Putting the value of image, that is image position, that is plus 1.15, and the object position is minus 5. Minus are cancelled, the values is plus 0.23 times, so the image is smaller in the size by the factor of 0.23 times. And we have moving from the next question. In this question, an object is 4 centimeter in a size is placed at 25 centimeter in front of a concave mirror of a focal length is 15 centimeter, and at what distance the mirror should be placed in order to obtain a sharp image, and find the nature and size of image. In this question, nature and size is same as from the previous question, and in this question the point is asking where should be the screen is placed to find the image, and the image is formed by the concave mirror. We have to know that is the real at inverted image. First, we have found out what the value are given, that the height of object, that is 4 centimeter, position of object, that is minus 25 centimeter, focal length is given, that is minus 15 centimeter, and we have found first the position of image and where the screen is placed to get the inverted and real image. We have taken minus sign for the focal length and object because these are the concave mirror. In this question, first we have to clarify the sign convention and what type of mirror the question is asked. Putting the values in the mirror formula and take it there from the left hand side and solving the equation, the value is minus 37.5 centimeter. the screen should be placed in front of mirror is 37.5 centimeter to get the real and inverted image. Second question, that is magnification. Using the magnification formula for the mirror is m equal to minus b upon u equal to height of image upon height of object. Putting the values, minus are cancelled and the height of object are given in question, that is 4 centimeter, and asking for height of image, and solving this equation we get minus 5.96 centimeter. The image is large and inverted. Minus sign is indicated only inverted because distance are never in negative, so it indicated the nature of object, that is inverted, that is below principal axis. We are moving from the next question, that is to find the focal length of a convex mirror whose radius of curvature is 32 centimeter. First we have noticed what are the question asking for the mirror. The mirror is convex and the radius curvature is 32, so we have putting positive sign for convex mirror and putting the value, that is 32 radius of curvature, and divided by 2, that is plus 16 centimeter focal length for the convex. And the next question is same as, but the difference is that the mirror is concave mirror, so we have putting the value is minus, and the focal length is 25 centimeter. We are moving from the next question. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object at 10 centimeter in front of it, and where the images from are located. First, in this question, the image is concave mirror, and it is clear that the magnification of object is 3 times. That we have taken minus sign because magnification is minus for the concave and plus for the convex. In this question, the position is object is 10 centimeter in front of mirror. Taking minus sign, we have find out the position of object, taking the formula of the magnification, that is minus b upon u in this question, and the magnification is minus 3. Minus are cancelled both sides, multiplying, that is minus 30 centimeter. The negative sign should show that the inverted and real image is formed at a distance 30 centimeter in front of the mirror. The next question, an object is placed 10 centimeter away from the concave mirror. If a real image is formed 15 centimeter from the mirror, then find out the focal length of image. In this question, that is 10 centimeter away from the concave mirror. Mirror is concave, and object position is 10 centimeter, image position is 15 centimeter, and it was asking for the focal length of concave mirror. Putting these value in mirror formula, and solving the equation, we got the focal length of concave mirror, that is 6 centimeter. And the last question, that is a 5 centimeter tall object is placed and perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex mirror of a focal length 20 centimeter, and the distance of object from the mirror is 30 centimeter. Then find out, first question, that the position of image, nature, and the size of image form. The mirror is convex mirror. Height of object given is, that is 5 centimeter. Mirror is convex, then the focal length is 20 centimeter plus, and the position is minus 30 centimeter of object in front of a mirror. By using first mirror formula, 1 upon f, 1 upon b plus 1 upon u, and putting the values, and we have got the position of image, that is 12 centimeter behind the mirror. The image is virtual. because this value is plus sign. Second question, the nature and magnification, putting the formula that magnification equal to minus b by u equal to height of image and height of object, and putting the values in the formula and cross multiplying, we had got that the height of image is 2 centimeter. The next section of video we have uploading that is the refraction and their numerical problems, and the next we have to upload some biological chapter also for the 10th section. Thank you.